Welcome back to Andrea Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to show you a #1 awesome vinegar hack that you should know. Look at that boiling water right there. Ooh, it feels nice and toasty. I love vinegar for so many reasons. In fact, I have an entire playlist dedicated to it, but I'm sharing my favorite way today. All right, what do I have in this basket here? I have a ton of microfiber towels. I actually have several tips for you wrapped in one here, but I've seen my mother-in-law boil her Norwex cloths and her microfiber towels to help get out any fabric softener or anything that was left on them. But sometimes hot water can damage the materials that you are using. So to avoid that, we're gonna get ourselves some vinegar. Normally I would just wash my microfiber towels in the washing machine, which we are going to do, but I was noticing streaks left on my granite countertops, and it's not the solution that I've been using. Just here in my laundry room, I want to use my sink here, but I realized I do not have a drain stopper or drain cover. So I just took some press and seal. You can also do this with cling wrap. Dropped a few coins in there to create a tighter seal. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn on my warm water. Fill this up, and then I'm going to dump probably about half a cup of vinegar in there. Drain still plugged. I'm gonna start putting in the towels. Excellent. Now I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes. I did add a little extra vinegar. There's no exact amount. Now some of you may be saying, Andrea Jean, why don't you just put the vinegar in the fabric softener section of your washing machine? I've done it, and it did not get the film off of my microfiber towels, as well as this strategy right here. Now you can, on a regular basis, if you have stinky mildew towels that just are not getting clean, you can make that a regular practice to put your vinegar here in the fabric softener section. But if you're having some towels that you still can't get that stank out, do a quick vinegar soak and then wash per normal. A little bonus tip here for you: if you're having an especially hard time, you can add in a little bit of this washing soda. You can see right here on the side. Natural since 1874. Dump that on in there to boost your laundry cleaning power. Look at how nasty that water is. Ooh, yuck. There's a lot being harbored inside of these. I just pulled the plug. We got some clean money now too. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments box below if you've ever tried this before. Click the video on screen now for an additional cleaning and life hack to hopefully make your day. We'll see you in the next one.